Hello everyone, I'm your 3D modeling teacher. This is spur gear. Today we are gonna change this spur gear's color. Color change is the simple. At first you can click this appearance icon, click, and then you can choose the color. Like this is right click. I change this position and this one. This one is actually changing icon, and then click, green click, magenta click, decal click, orange click, olive green click, and then you can these many icons can change the color, and then you can capture this modeling and then click orange. That's it. And then another color, capture and then click. That's it. And then capture, click. That's it. This face, click, click. That's it. Rotate. This one, click, click. That's it. It's easy. And click and click. That's it. Click and click. Okay, we finished change the color. I hope this video helped you. Thank you. Bye.